Good morning, everybody. My name is Bjerde. I'm the Managing Director for Operations from the World Bank. And we just concluded a very constructive and fruitful meeting with His Excellency, the President of Tajikistan. It's a real pleasure for me to be back in Tajikistan. I last visited about 2 years ago. And the focus of our meeting was to take stock on our very successful partnership, which has over the years seen a significant increase in our support to Tajikistan, and we now have about $3.3 billion of commitments to development projects and economic reforms here in Tajikistan. And this support has focused on poverty reduction and improving the living standards for the people of Tajikistan, both in urban and rural areas. And this is in areas such as infrastructure, agriculture, rural development, as well as water supply and sanitation. We have also supported the reforms that the country is undertaking, and here I would like to really acknowledge the last few years where there's been an increase in reforms that enable the private sector to play a larger role, which is important for the creation of jobs and attraction of investment. This visit was also very special for me because I had the chance yesterday to do a site visit of the Rogun energy project. The World Bank is one of 9 development partners to Tajikistan supporting the construction of Rogun. And we view Rogun as a very important development for the people of Tajikistan, but also for countries in Central Asia that will be importing some of the electricity, forming a low carbon and sustainable energy source for countries for Tajikistan, but also other countries in there. We look forward to continuing our very successful partnership and to continue to see very positive development for the people of Tajikistan through our collaboration. Thank you so very much.